If you're seeing the unable to connect error in TeamViewer, it usually means the program can't establish a remote session with the other device. Yeah, this can happen because of network issues, firewall restrictions, or software glitches. But don't worry, there are several simple fixes that can usually solve the problem pretty quickly. First, make sure both computers have a stable internet connection. TeamViewer requires active internet access on both the local and remote devices to create a connection. Next, try restarting the TeamViewer application. Temporary glitches can sometimes prevent the software from establishing a connection. Another common cause is entering the wrong TeamViewer ID. Even a small typo can stop the connection from going through. If the issue continues, your firewall or antivirus may be blocking the connection. Make sure TeamViewer is allowed through the firewall on both devices. Running outdated versions of TeamViewer can sometimes cause compatibility issues between devices. Updating the software ensures both systems can communicate properly. If none of the previous fixes work, try restarting your router. Network routing issues can occasionally block remote connections, and that's it. One of these fixes usually resolves the TeamViewer unable to connect error and restores your remote access. If this helped you out, yeah, feel free to like the video and check out the channel for more quick tech tutorials.